Welcome to Top Best Picks. The best solar battery is probably one of the most essential accessories for trail cameras, offering a sustainable and reliable power source for remote monitoring. This video dives deep into the world of 12V solar batteries, exploring how they can significantly enhance your trail camera's performance, extending its operational life, and reducing the need for frequent battery changes. We'll cover everything from choosing the right battery to maximizing its efficiency in the field. Number 5. WingHome Solar Panel Charger Kit for Trail Camera. This solar panel is designed to work with WingHome trail cameras and other 6V or 12V outdoor security cameras. It comes with multiple plug sizes, making it widely compatible with various devices. Harness the power of the sun to keep your devices running. This solar panel provides clean and emission-free electricity, ensuring your camera stays charged throughout the season. Say goodbye to constantly buying batteries. This solar charger eliminates the need for frequent battery replacements, saving you money in the long run. Setting up this solar panel is quick and easy. With the included installation kit and pre-drilled holes, you can have it mounted and secured in just a few minutes. The package includes everything you need to get started. You'll receive the solar panel, mounting bracket, DC charger, multiple cables, and a complete installation kit. What we like. This solar panel offers wide compatibility, working with various trail cameras. It harnesses the sun's energy, providing continuous power without the need for frequent battery replacements. If you're looking for a hassle-free, eco-friendly power solution for your trail cameras, this is a great choice. What people say. I installed this solar panel on a trail cellular camera and it has kept my camera at 100% charge for over 2 months. It comes with a great mounting bracket and all the necessary cords to hook it up to about any 6V or 12V device. These panels are so much better. No issues and they stay 100% charged even when sun doesn't shine all day. Number 4. StealthCam Sol-Pak Solar Battery Pack. Tired of changing batteries? This solar battery pack uses renewable energy to keep your trail cameras charged. It extends the field life of your camera with a 3000 mAh Li-ion battery. This Sol-Pak is compatible with all StealthCam wireless and cellular hunting trail cameras. It ensures your cameras stay powered, so your hunting ground remains undisturbed. This solar panel features an external 12-volt DC jack. The 12V amorphous solar power panel offers high performance. It has adjustable T-swivel brackets for optimal positioning. This helps gather enough light to power your wireless cameras even in low-light conditions. Built to withstand the outdoors, it features a durable, weather-resistant ABS housing. It also includes a 10-feet insulated metal cable. The LED battery indicator lets you quickly check the remaining power. Experience top-level convenience with its thoughtful design. It includes a USB charging port, a secure lock DC plug, and a 12V DC input. This makes it an adaptable solution for all your field powering needs. What we like. This solar panel extends your camera's field life with a 3000 mAh Li-ion battery. It's built to withstand outdoor conditions with a weather-resistant ABS housing. If you need a reliable and long-lasting power solution for your wireless or cellular trail cameras, this is the one. What people say. Bought this kit to use with a new stealth trail camera. Great quality and works well. Camera has taken hundreds of photos a day and this kit has kept the camera charged even with only a few hours of late afternoon winter sun. Highly recommended. I'm very impressed with this solar charged battery. I've had it outside for over a month in Iowa winter weather. The solar panel doesn't get direct sunlight, just ambient daylight most of the time, but it has been fully charged, for lights when you push the button, every time. This includes temps down to -12F. Highly recommended. Great quality. I have one on my other camera and it works great so far. It was a better price than at the local stores. Would recommend. Number 3. HME Trail Camera 12V Solar Power Pack. This is the HME Trail Camera Power Pack. It's designed to keep your trail camera running longer. It provides auxiliary power, ensuring you don't miss any important moments. Built to withstand the elements, this power pack features a durable, weather-resistant housing. It can handle tough conditions, protecting the internal components from rain and sun. Installation is a breeze. The power pack is designed for easy setup, so you can quickly get it up and running. It's user-friendly and ready to go in minutes. This power pack offers versatile compatibility. It works with a wide range of trail cameras. This ensures that it can meet your needs. The power pack operates on 12V and is solar compatible. It provides a reliable power source. This helps to extend the battery life of your trail camera. The power pack comes in a sleek black finish. It blends in with the surroundings. It's a discreet and effective solution for your trail camera needs. What we like. This auxiliary power pack is designed for durability and easy setup. It's built to withstand the elements, ensuring your camera stays powered. If you value simplicity and reliability in a rugged package, you should consider this. What people say. Bought a cable to easily connect to my WiseEye data camera. Holds charge for months with the added solar panel. Purchased 2 of these and both made it through the whole hunting season without issues. This HME solar charging battery pack, mechanically, is a great design. It uses a standard 12V, 7Ah sealed lead-acid battery which can be replaced for about $20 from your local sporting goods store. Number 2. SPYPOINT SPLB22 Solar Panel for Trail Camera. This SPYPOINT solar panel features a compact design, integrating both the solar panel and lithium battery into a single unit. This eliminates messy wires, making setup simple and clean. It's all in one. Harness the power of the sun to keep the internal lithium battery charged. This ensures your trail camera stays powered, allowing you to capture more footage. It's an efficient and eco-friendly solution. The built-in lithium battery is a key feature. This means fewer wires and easier setup. This panel and battery all-in-one design simplifies the process. Extend the life of your trail camera with the integrated lithium battery, which is continuously charged by the sun. This ensures that it keeps working longer. The solar panel provides reliable power. This solar panel isn't just for trail cameras. It also includes 12V, 9V, and 6V outputs, making it compatible with a wide range of devices. You can power various equipment with it. What we like. This solar panel features a compact design with the solar panel and lithium battery in one unit. It also offers multiple power outlets for various devices. If you like an all-in-one solution with fewer wires and easy setup, this is perfect for you. What people say. We put these on our cameras and they survived northern Michigan's cold winters. This unit does 6V, 9V, and 12V out. It has a 15,000 mAh battery capacity. Number 1. 5W Solar Panel for Trail Camera. This 5W 12V solar panel works with all 12V trail cameras. It has 1.35mm or 2.1mm output connectors, perfect for wildlife and hunting cameras. This ensures the camera has continuous solar power for uninterrupted use. It comes with a built-in 5,200 mAh rechargeable battery. This solar panel provides reliable power day and night. It's a complete solar power kit, ensuring your camera never runs out of energy. Designed with IP65 waterproof protection, it can withstand rain, snow, heat, and cold. You can install it in forests, backyards, or rooftops. It offers durable, weatherproof performance. Featuring an adjustable mounting bracket, this compact solar panel is easy to install in just 5 minutes. You can position it at any angle for maximum sunlight exposure and continuous power. If you have any issues with this solar panel charger, our team provides instant expert replies within 24 hours. Your satisfaction is our priority, and we are here to help. What we like. This solar panel ensures continuous power with its built-in 5,200 mAh rechargeable battery. It's also IP65 waterproof, making it suitable for all weather conditions. If you are looking for a reliable, all-weather power solution, this is the one to choose. What people say. The battery has worked flawlessly so far. The battery life is great. The solar panel keeps the battery charged. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.